Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, your laptop or phone and the display. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, because most wireless displays use one or both. Once done, power the display and choose the wireless input or casting mode so it's discoverable. On your source device, open the display or casting menu, Windows Project, iOS Control Center, or Android Cast. You're creating the network handshake. Keep devices close for initial pairing and disable VPNs or alternate network. Next, initiate the actual connection from your source. On Windows, click Project and connect to a wireless display. On Android, pull Quick Settings and tap Cast. On iOS, use Screen Mirroring. Select the display name that appears. If the display asks to confirm, accept on the display and on your device. If a PIN appears, enter it exactly. Once connected, make sure you're mirroring or extending as intended. Then tweak resolution and sound output so text is clear and audio routes to the display. To finish, confirm content plays smoothly and controls respond. If latency or dropouts occur, close streaming apps and move devices closer to the display. Make sure firmware and OS updates are applied because compatibility often causes failures. If connection repeatedly fails, reboot both devices and the router, then try a different casting protocol, such as switching from Miracast to Chromecast where supported. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if discovery still fails, temporarily disable your firewall or security software and try again. Wired HDMI remains a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.